Hello everyone, I am going to create a counter app using Next.js. Const const count comma set count use state 0. We are initializing a count value as 0. Next return div. Inside div I am going to give a class name of styles.container. Styles.container. Inside that I am going to give a h1 counter app. Class name styles dot heading. For styling I am going to give a styles. Inside that I am going to create a file home dot module dot css. Import use state from React. Import styles from dot slash styles slash home module dot css. Next I am going to create another div with the class name styles dot counter container. Inside that I am going to create a button with minus and a class name of styles dot button and on click decrement. Next I am going to use a span tag and I am going to give a count and a class name of styles dot count. Next I am going to create another button for plus and a class name styles dot button on click increment, and I want to export default counter app. Now I am going to create a functions for increment and decrement. Const increment equal to set count plus 1. It will increase the count plus 1. Next, const decrement set count minus 1. Next, I am going to give a styling for counter app dot container max with 400 pixel margin padding 20 pixel text. Next, I am going to give a styling for heading font size 24 pixel margin bottom 20 pixel. Dot counter container display flex justify content center and align items center. Dot count for the count font size 36 pixel margin 0 20 pixel. And for the buttons, padding 10 pixel 20 pixel font size 18 pixel. And for border, I want to give a none and a background color of 007BFF. Next, I am going to give a color of white for text, and for button the cursor should be pointer. Next, for button I am going to give a hover effect, hover of background color 0056B3. If I save this, if I run the app npm run dev, see we are getting, if I click on press, see it was increasing, if it was decreasing. Like this the counter app will work using Next.js. Thank you.